Hey guys, this is Clayton back with another walk around video. Today I have a 2016 Ford Transit Connect XLT trim level. So this vehicle just arrived there in pre-owned lot. Currently has 138,000 kilometers on it. Again, 2016 Ford Transit Connect XLT trim level. There's dual sliding doors on this vehicle, both on the passenger side as well as on the driver's side of the vehicle. Has nice big bay doors at the back of the vehicle as well that open up and allow cargo to get easily in and out of the vehicle. So tons of ways to get cargo in and out of the vehicle. On this one, I'll show you what the sliding door looks like on the vehicle. So here's what the sliding door looks like, and it's the exact same thing on the other side as well. So like mentioned, tons of ways to get cargo in and out of the vehicle. There's a floor protector in this vehicle as well to protect your cargo from coming in and out of the vehicle. There's also many tie-down straps throughout the floor of the vehicle. Coming into the cabin area of the vehicle, show you some of the door controls. So you have basic window lock, unlock, window down, window up, mirror controls. Here's the seat in the vehicle. So you have black cloth on both the passenger side and the driver's side of the vehicle, both manual seats. Coming over to the driver's side seat, there's your steering wheel. So on the right hand side of the steering wheel, you have your media controls. So what's nice about this vehicle is Bluetooth. So you can actually connect your phone to the vehicle. So if, for instance, if your drivers, you gotta call them, they don't have to go on their phone. They can just accept and decline calls right from the steering wheel. Come down here, you have your cruise control in the vehicle. And up top, you have your controls for your gauge cluster. So middle gauge cluster. So like mentioned, the vehicle currently has 138,000 kilometers on it. This camera also has a backup camera on it. This vehicle also has a backup camera right there. And here's all your different media controls on the vehicle. They also have AC in this vehicle as well. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Again, this is a 2016 Ford Transit Connect. If you guys have any questions about this vehicle, please feel free to reach out to us, give us a call, or stop by. Again, this is Clayton at Kennedy Ford. Thanks for watching.